What's up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie BBQ. It's time for me to pick the winner to this giveaway that I've had. Hopefully you've had a chance to enter. Anyway, this giveaway has taken me about a week longer than I wanted to, so I apologize for that, but you know what? We're here now. Like I said in the video previous to this one, I'm going to tailor what the winner wins by kind of what their interests are. So I'm really kind of happy about this. Right. So it's time to pick the winner. Now, first of all, whoever the winner is, I will reply to the comment that they entered in the giveaway video. Please do reply back to that. And just for double verification, if you do win, also reply to that comment and go to my No Hippie BBQ and Cooking YouTube page. Click on this About tab right here. That's going to take you down to a section that will allow you to view my email address. You don't necessarily need to take that step, I guess. Just email me at nohippiebarbq@gmail.com, and I'm going to reply back to whoever the winner is, ask them a few questions about what their interests are, and I'll customize the package to be sent out to that person. Anyway, let's go ahead and pick the winner. I'm going to come over here to my entry page, copy that link, come over to the YouTube random comment generator. We're going to go ahead and paste that in, load our comments. We have 134 unique comments. Let's go ahead and pick the winner. Paul Hamlett, you are the winner. Please do reply back to the message I'm going to send you on this video, as well as email me. I do appreciate all of you guys stopping by No Hippie BBQ. That's a wrap, Paul. Like I said, congratulations. I'm going to have a nice package put together for you. Now, if Paul does not get back with me within, I'm going to give him a good 3 weeks to get back with me. So today is the 18th. Or 17th, excuse me, of March. If 3 weeks has gone by and Paul has not claimed his prize, I will be redrawing this to give away to somebody else. I will be trying to go out of my way to get in contact with Paul, though. Anyway, thanks for stopping by No Hippie BBQ. I do appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.